Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to design a flip card animation in Figma. This is a fantastic way to create interactive elements for your designs, whether you're working on a website prototype, an app interface, or just experimenting with dynamic visuals. Let's jump right in and get this animation set up. First, open your Figma application on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to add this flip card animation. This could be an existing design you're working on or a brand new project you've started specifically for practicing animations. Now look down at the bottom of your screen and locate the arrow icon next to the shape tool. Click on that arrow and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Images/Videos. This option allows you to bring external media into your Figma workspace. Go ahead and upload the image you want to use for your flip card. This will be the visual content that appears on one side of your card. Once your image is uploaded and placed on the canvas, shift your attention to the right side panel. Here you'll find the component icon. Click on it and then select the variant icon. This step is crucial because it allows you to create different states of your flip card, which is what makes the animation possible. Next, double-click on the second picture in your variant set. Now press Shift and H together on your keyboard. This shortcut flips the image horizontally, creating that mirror effect that's essential for a realistic flip animation. After flipping, look over to the right side panel again, find the section labeled Fill, and click on Image. Here you'll want to adjust the exposure slider to make this second image appear darker. This visual difference helps distinguish between the front and back of your card when it flips. Now that your card states are set up, click on the Prototype tab in the right side panel. This is where the magic happens. You need to connect each picture to create the interactive flip. Start by connecting the first picture to the second picture, then connect the second picture back to the first. These connections define the flow of your animation, telling Figma what should happen when a user interacts with your design. Head over to the left side panel and click on Assets. From there, drag the component you just created onto your canvas. This places your interactive flip card into the working area where you can see it in action. Finally, look up to the top right corner and click the play button. Give it a moment to load your prototype. Once everything has loaded properly, click on the picture and watch your flip card animation come to life right before your eyes. And that's it. You've successfully created a flip card animation in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.